As they say, Saregama Padan is
Yes.
100%.
You feel like a song in your mind. So there's a beautiful music.
Hi guys, I'm at the Whisky Show in London at the Rampur stand with Anup Barik.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
Pleasure meeting you. My name is Anup Barik, as you know, and I am the master blender of Radico Khaitan, which is produced Rampur single malt whiskey.
Wow.
And we have a lot of expressions there, and these are the exclusive expression. There is a story behind this Jugalbandi series. So Jugalbandi, as you know, is a two maestro playing their musical instrument together to create a symphony.
Wow.
So that is the real idea. So there we have an Indian musical instrument, or there are 7 notes, 1 top notes. So total 8: sa, re, ga, ma, fa, da, ni, sa.
Of course.
So 8. This is the Jugalbandi pipe, which is Tokai cask, first matured in American bourbon and Tokai. Tokai is a very sweet Hungarian wine. 3 of them are desert wine. So that's much sweeter. That goes well with our aromatic profile. So first I am serving you the Tokai finish, Jugalbandi 5. See the color and thickness of the liquid. 55.6%. Though the strength is very high, but you won't get it in your nose and palate.
Yeah, very, very sticking to the glass.
Yeah.
Very
thick, heavy.
persistent legs,
Yeah.
good viscosity there.
Yeah.
Slow legs again, so it shows there's
This is matured enough and it has got density from the wood. You'll get lot of fruity, dried fruits, chocolate.
Yeah, light cocoa note coming in, darker fruit, stewed fruits. And this wine, sweet wine, is white wine, is it? What sort of Hungarian cask?
It's a white wine and it's very, very sweet, very sweet.
Wow. It's like a coconut liqueur-esque coming through as well, but it's thick and it's rich. On the palate then, let's give it a try.
Cheers. You feel like a song in your mind. So there's a beautiful music playing in your ears. It's a lovely whiskey.
As they say, Saregama Padan is 100%. I'm getting a note. It went now. Let me drink it again. Turkish delight.
Turkish delight, yes.